you how to fly. Come on in. And let me show you my travel essentials.
Hello, Preeti.
Hello.
What's
How
up?
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Okay, I want to say, Enakku Tamil Theriyada.
Teriyadu.
Theriyadu.
Yeah, which means she doesn't know Tamil.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll speak in
You
English.
will speak in English. Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Jasween Kaur, and welcome to the brand new episode of HF Plays. We have with us today the Asakura girl, Preeti.
Hi guys. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for being in Bombay. And
Yeah.
what are you actually doing here?
I'm just here for a couple of days for like work for
Okay.
a shooting schedule and it's about vacation apparently. So I think we're gonna do the travel edition.
Yeah.
Of what you guys normally do.
We'll dig into your suitcase today.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's do that. So come in.
Hello.
This is where I sleep in the bedroom.
Okay.
And I've arranged this neatly only because you're coming home.
Oh my God. This is so
This
cool.
is my clothes worth of say like 1 week. 2
Okay.
weeks. And I have a good variety of things, so I can do a lot of things in Bombay.
Yeah. So I'm very excited to see what's inside. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. I really like this. Let's do this first.
This one?
Yeah.
This is a bodysuit.
Okay.
I feel like my fashion can be a bit like on the grungier, edgier side sometimes. So I like these like prints and these
Yeah.
dark femme.
Basically goth.
Lightly.
A bit.
Just a bit. Yeah. And I do love bodysuits. So
Yeah.
This one is something like that. It's like both feminine and like grungy.
It has both
Yeah.
of those energies.
Okay, I didn't think you'd pick that.
Hmm.
But this is just a blouse that I actually, when I'm too lazy to wear a sari, I just wear it.
With a pair of jeans?
Yeah, just like a top.
That's a very cool hack.
Yeah.
Is this your mom's by any chance, or have you like
This
gotten
is
it?
my mom's that she gave it to me to like use one time, but I altered it and
Never returned back.
never-
Sorry,
Yeah,
auntie.
yeah. And I think I'm just having this like Indo-Western phase right now.
Okay.
So I have brought a couple of like
Yeah.
Indo-Western things. Yeah.
Great.
Like semi-Indian. This would be my airport look.
Ooh.
Like a suede.
When the paps are
leather.
out.
I am quite awkward in front of the paps.
Yeah.
But this is just for like when I travel or something. This would be my go-to.
That's your
I would
go-to.
do an all-black outfit.
And what would you pair this with? Like
This time when I came here, I was just like in all black, like just bodysuit, black bodysuit, like an overall,
yeah,
and jeans.
jacket.
Yeah.
And then accessorize it with like probably a cap.
Yeah,
You-
I am a cap person.
You're a cap
I'm a
person.
very cap
Yeah.
person. Yeah. So this would be that,
Okay, great.
like a suede black leather jacket.
I love this orange dress also. What's this?
Oh yeah, just a daytime like full length maxi. print.
Okay.
I love prints, and this rose had
Yeah.
a very Gen Z vibe going.
You
So I
have a
liked it.
very Gen Z style to yourself, I feel.
I wouldn't have thought that until you told me. But,
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, this is like an elegant
Yeah.
maxi. It's very me, I think.
And you're
orange
also
is my
very
favorite
tall.
color. So,
Mm.
yeah.
So basically, you've emptied your suitcase for us, and we're seeing there's
Yes.
everything for every kind of occasion, I feel, right?
Yeah.
So what
There's
else?
more. Then there's like a staple
Classics.
in every girl's like
Yeah.
wardrobe, like a white shirt.
How
Yeah.
would you style this white shirt in 3 different situations? Would you wear like a white shirt to a date?
Yeah, I would wear this on a day out
Hmm.
with under like a denim like corset.
Hmm. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A corset
Something
would
like
look
that.
nice
Yeah.
with that. Yeah.
Oversized, like probably like a tiny denim skirt.
Skirt.
And just like an oversized white shirt. That would be my vibe. I love oversized stuff. Yeah.
Great. Okay. What do we have? You have like a classic slip dress as well.
Oh,
is
yeah.
what I see.
Yeah.
You have a lot of
I'm
staples.
all for like long, elegant
Wow.
dresses. That's also very me.
This is
Yeah.
very pretty.
So this is just a staple. And I like to like wear this as a skirt sometimes. I like to wear this like
you can put like a
something on top of it,
top
like a
of it.
sweater on top of
Yeah.
it. Just a top, and I would just like do some like what do you
Tie
call
it up.
Jugaad.
Jugaad. Ah, jugaad.
Yeah. Right now, I don't have much time, but I love thrifting. So
Oh.
you can find like really unique pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And I love street shopping, especially for like Indian, semi-Indian wear.
Okay.
Just
And where do you
when I'm
thrift
in the
from?
mood. Just like Bombay, Delhi.
Okay.
and wherever I travel to actually.
Have you hit the hill road in Bombay?
Yeah,
You have shopped?
quite a few
Wow.
times. Yeah, that was
Okay.
my first time like going on a shopping spree.
Oh wow. Okay, I'll give you a situation then.
Okay.
Imagine I am Bhaiya.
Yeah, no, I don't bargain.
You don't bargain.
I don't know how to bargain. I just
So
do it.
how?
I'll
Okay,
take
you
it.
you want the stop. What will you do?
I'll say like, Bhaiya, like 300 Bhaiya, please.
No, madam. नहीं हो पाएगा, ma'am.
Bhaiya, please.
Ma'am, नहीं हो
300.
पाएगा.
Okay,
नहीं,
two-
नहीं, ma'am.
Okay, 250. Sorry, okay, 350.
मैडम नहीं हो पाएगा.
350.
नहीं मैडम, 500 रुपए का है ये, कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको, मेरी ही शॉप पे मिलेगा आपको.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll give.
You
I'm bad
gave
at
it.
this. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, we're going to shop soon together. If
Yes,
you want,
please.
if you want, we
You can teach me how to bargain.
Yeah, we can
Yes,
do that. We
yes.
have another show called Gully Fashion where we'll take you out on
Oh.
the streets and we can shop together.
Cute.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll do
We can
that.
do that.
Comments में बताओ if you guys really want to see Preeti shop at Hill Road.
That'll be fun. I got this online.
Okay.
It's actually a set, but I can't find the pants.
And you also grew up and became a dancer.
Yeah,
And you
true.
started your journey
Yeah.
in Trichy.
Yeah.
So tell me about that.
I just remember like when I was around 4 years old,
Hmm.
and my parents, we had gone for this. We do something called Arangetram,
Hmm.
which is like a stage
Yeah,
performance.
yeah.
And my dad took me to a family friends, and I don't know what came over me. It's not like I had an interest until then. I was on the seat, like standing and watching, like a very sane Bharatanatyam performance. There was one kid who was like intently watching, standing on the chair.
And that was you.
The whole show, yeah, that was me. So then they were like, maybe we can ask her, maybe we can get her to join classes.
Oh my God.
That's how it started.
That's so cool. And how did Asakura happen?
I just got a call from Sai Abhyankar, the singer.
Yeah.
They wanted somebody who knows how to dance.
Hmm.
So I've been trained in like Bharatanatyam, Western style since I was a kid.
Yeah.
So somebody knew of me, so they just recommended me to them, and we went in.
And it
We didn't-
became a hit. So how did life change after that success?
I think I was because I have no like ties to anybody in the industry.
Yeah.
I have no contact.
Mhm.
I think it was very hard to like get inside and like just get opportunities and stuff. I really had to make my way to get even a single movie. But after this, I started getting like quite a few
Offers.
Yeah. So in that way, it just gave me a platform to like just gave me visibility, which almost changed my career.
Everything. I'm like, people went crazy about that song. Crazy. And it's
It was a
still,
very nice song.
yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
So let's dig into the closet again.
Yeah.
And I want to know, when you're back in Chennai, what are you wearing out of these? What's your go-to Chennai
I
look?
always love a simple kurti.
Uh-huh.
Not too like on days when I'm feeling like sanskar, but sanskar. I learned some words, and I just feel like they're very comfortable.
Yeah.
Like, as pieces of clothing, they're just so comfortable and
Something about the
you
fabric also.
Yeah, and you can just throw them on and like do whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you just feel comfortable and chill.
You can actually also style this with a pair of denim shorts, is what I feel. It's
I
very
do
cool.
that. I
Hai na?
do.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a typical kalamkari rider.
Yeah.
I think the dancer in me likes these kind of prints and stuff. And this is another one. This is a skirt that I would pair with like black.
It's
tank
been
top.
ages that I've seen like a nice long skirt.
Skirt, right?
People are not wearing it anymore. I don't know
I
why.
would I've been wearing skirt quite
My
often
God.
lately. Yeah.
This is also like your
It's like
uniform.
black tan. And like nice big jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yeah. This is so me.
Let's pick out the bag as well. I really like this. Where did you get it from?
I got it again from like when I was traveling.
Mhm.
This is what I don't remember.
This is too Gen Z.
I
Don't you
know,
think?
It's a bit Gen Z.
Hai na?
It's
Wow.
cute.
It's very cute.
It's cute. Yeah.
What could you fit in that?
I do have an assortment of things that I think I'll be showing you guys in the next segment.
Next segment.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. Okay, so we finally sat down.
Yeah.
And we're going to dig in more into your jewelry, your nightwear, your fanny pack. We've tons of things.
Yes.
And guys, just for your information, I've asked her beforehand if I can like touch things.
Yeah,
and-
of course you can touch.
Yeah. So yeah, in case y'all think I didn't ask, so yeah.
Oh no, you have all the permission.
Great,
Please.
thank you.
Yeah,
Let's do the jewelry. I'm very excited. You've got like 4 dabbas to Bombay.
I did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I like I told you, I'm just in my semi-classical, like Indo-Western phase.
Yeah.
So I basically brought all the jhumkas and all the jewelry that I have.
You have everything. Silver se lekar, gold se lekar, everything.
Yeah.
We'll open this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
These ones are a bit like,
Ooh, they're jazzy.
yeah, they're a bit like extra.
Yeah. What's your favorite out of this? You'd wear it like
They're all for
every day.
different occasions. So
Hmm.
this one is just, I just found this to be like a unique piece. Again, Indo-Western, but it's got this like gold dot, right? which I
Yeah.
like. Then this is another another like indie piece, but this is very this, I feel like the dancer in me comes out when I wear this, like a cute jhumka.
Yeah.
And then this is a bit like extra, like flashy,
Yeah.
with a nice stone.
When you're going for a red carpet event.
Yeah, something like that. Then there are a couple of like gold rings.
This is very cute. I really like the locket.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
cute too, right? I just need to like work on.
Put a chain
part
on.
as
Yeah.
well, yeah.
Let's pull this out. I'm
Ah.
very intrigued.
This is just I don't even remember where I found this, but this is a hip belt.
Can you
So,
style it for us? Like, how do you?
I would literally wear it with like this outfit.
Yeah.
Whenever I feel like I don't want to dress up with like my clothes,
Yeah.
I pump up my accessories.
Yeah.
Like I would just wear like just a black top or something, and I would do a full all out with my
Accessories.
Yeah.
What do we have more?
I think your basic hoops,
Hmm.
they're always like a staple. You need hoops.
Yeah.
And,
They go with everything. Okay, so now that we've seen all your favorite jewelry pieces, I wanna introduce the fanny pack now, because I've heard that this is pretty much a part of your body now.
Yeah, and whoever's around me, I'll like keep shoving my fanny pack to them, saying, "You hold this and stand next to me in case I need something."
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's open it and see किस fanny pack
I'm
में
sorry
है क्या?
guys, I did bring a handbag, but they just insisted that I show the fanny pack instead. I just think the utilitarian in me
Yeah.
likes to use, and sometimes I take this out like even when I'm wearing a dress and stuff.
How do you
I know
style
that
it
like
like
bad
a?
fashion choice. I just think that I would introduce like an edgy element to my outfit, and then I would take this. Yeah, something
Cool.
like that. Yeah.
Fashion with purpose, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just like wet tissues. Because I'm like, I feel like I go out so often that my hands get dirty.
Mm-hmm.
So wet tissues. I've already kept them in outside. Yeah, this would be the most important item in my bag. My earphones. I don't like wireless earphones because I keep losing them.
Yeah.
So I don't like it. I just love the music. I can't like
Yeah.
go anywhere without music. Then I always have a charger with me. Actually, if you see, I feel like anywhere I go, the first thing I look for is a plug point because my phone is always like
Dying.
a single-digit battery.
Yeah.
I'm always with a charger. Sometimes I don't even have a bag. I just have a phone, my charger.
Okay.
Literally step out like that. Then this is just snacks that I brought
Okay.
back from the flight. Some makeup, some lipstick, some concealer,
What's your go-to lip color?
berry shade.
Like a berry shade.
Berry shade.
Okay.
Yeah.
A bit darker than what you're wearing right now.
No.
The same,
A
almost.
bit lighter.
Lighter. Okay.
But like a berry tint.
Okay.
Brown mixed with red.
Okay.
But this is just, the red lipstick is like my one-stop shop for like blush, lipstick, eyeshadow,
Yeah.
everything I can possibly think of.
And that's the power of a red lipstick, right? You put it on with any outfit and it looks damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I've got lip balm,
Okay.
which I will not ever live without. Then I've got moisturizer, also something I can't live without.
Oh wow.
Then I've got
Cute bottle.
sunscreen. I actually have like 3-4 sunscreens in my main handbag
Okay.
because I keep like getting paranoid that I'm gonna
Yeah.
ever like be without sunblock.
Yeah.
Whenever I see a sunscreen somewhere in my house, I'll put it in my bag so that I'm like equipped when I'm outside. Then this is a tiny perfume. I think
Oh.
this is YSL.
Oh, I love this
So,
one. It's very good.
This one,
Yeah.
I think my friend like showed. Just, I have these like coffee/tea cravings.
Ooh.
So I would just find hot water and I would make like instant. This one's tea.
So you carry your own
I
tea
do
bags.
carry, yeah.
Okay, that's
Even if
unique.
I go to like hotels, I would bring some of those sachets back so I can, wherever I go, I just like ask for hot water.
That's a very good hack actually.
Yeah.
You have pretty much, you've got a snack, you've got tea,
Yeah,
you can get ready anywhere, I
yeah,
feel.
yeah. That's what I do.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
On
yeah.
the go.
Yeah, so I have a pair of earrings just to be
Just in case
handy.
you have to go
Yeah,
somewhere.
Handy pair of earrings, my house keys
Okay.
from back in Chennai. Then what else? A scrunchie, Then another tiny perfume that's over.
Oh my god, you have an
Still
entire house
my- yeah.
in that bag. It's like Doraemon's pocket.
Oh, damn. I
Things
didn't
are coming out.
and one Digene tablet as well
Okay.
for like when I'm having stomach pain. I have these what do you call it? Nose rings, like the
Oh.
clip-on nose rings. Yeah,
In case you feel
in
it.
case I
Yeah.
feel like it. Yeah. I
You
think
have a
that's
nail
it.
color also.
I do have a nail color as well.
In case.
Yeah, in case. Yeah, which I'm wearing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wore it yesterday for this. So yeah,
Oh,
that's
this
about
is
it.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, Preeti, thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you.
For
Thank you
giving
so
us
much.
your time.
Thank you. You made me so comfortable to like speak in front of the camera.
I think we had a lot of fun. I hope you had.
I did. Of course I did.
So we'll say goodbye to the camera and teach me a way to say goodbye in Tamil. To say bye.
Hey, Nandri Vanakkam, which is like thank you.
Nandri Vadakkam.
Vanakkam.
Okay, so we'll say again
Yeah.
to the camera. Okay, so guys,
It's a very official way to say that. I was laughing.
I don't even
But
know,
it's
but
okay,
okay.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
Nandri Vanakkam.
Nandri Vadakkam, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.